children. Welcome to Mila's Story World. There are lots of fun here.
หมวดเล่านิทานนะคะ
Let me tell you some
มีหมวด
interesting
เล่านิทาน
stories.
อยู่
The two roosters and the eagle.
สี่เรื่อง
A hen, the father and his son. The deer and the hunter. The eagle and the crow.
My little friend, let me
Một lau
teach you
nước tầm
English now.
Mom, do you know what I'm going to give you for your birthday? No, honey, what? A nice teapot. But I've got a nice teapot. No, you haven't. I've just dropped it. Oh, Jack, you've slept away the whole morning. Don't you know you are wasting
I
time?
like singing best and sing very well. Do you want
มี
to
เพล
hear
งอ
my
ยู่สี่
singing?
เพลงนะคะเพลงมีทั้งหมด6เพลงนะคะ
Fishes, where are you? Can you show me where they are? Fishes, there they are. Some miles away.
Please enjoy the wonderful music.
มีอยู่3เพลงหมวดเสียงสัตว์ร้องเพลงค่ะ
Let's take a listen to small animals sing.
หมวดความรู้
Dog. Duck. Bird. Frog.
ให้เด็กตาม
Yay! Go play ourselves.
ถ้าตามแล้วแตะที่ก้นก็จะมีเสียง
Hello, children. Welcome. Yay! Go play ourselves. Here, chasing me. Come on, try and catch. Here,